Do you remember when you were unstoppable? When you woke up with energy, chased your goals without hesitation, and truly believed anything was possible? At some point, life threw challenges your way, and that version of you seemed to fade. But here's the truth. That best version of you isn't gone. It's still inside, waiting to be brought back to life. Think about when you were your best self. What made you unstoppable? Was it your energy, your mindset, or your passion for life? Life isn't always easy, and you faced obstacles. But that prime version of you didn't disappear. It's just hidden beneath doubt and routines, waiting for a comeback. The first step to unlocking your prime self is believing in yourself again. Your best days aren't behind you, they're ahead of you. Your prime is a mindset, and your strength lies in the decision to keep going, no matter what life throws your way. It's about waking up every day with the intention to be better than the day before. Restoring your prime takes effort. It's not about finding comfort. Greatness is built through challenges. To begin, reassess your habits and priorities. Identify what's holding you back, fear, comfort, or doubt, and commit to pushing past those barriers. You don't need to be perfect, but you need to take action. Start small, stay consistent, and push through even when you don't feel like it. Discipline is about doing what needs to be done, no matter how you feel. It's the actions you take today that bring you closer to the version of yourself you want to become. Reclaiming your prime isn't about one big change. It's about the little steps you take every day. Each small action, waking up earlier, eating better, moving your body, builds into something bigger. Success is not achieved overnight. It's the result of consistent effort. True growth takes time and persistence. Your prime self isn't defined by one moment, but by continuous effort. There will be setbacks, but they're part of the journey. The real question is, are you ready to fight for that version of yourself? It's never too late. Every moment of hesitation is a moment wasted. Your prime self is waiting for you, so get up, take action, and bring that version of you back. The world needs it.